this video I'm going to explain you how to make a calculator in CPP. So let's begin with it. Int num and num and a char operator. This will take the operator such as plus, minus, multiply, divide. There's a missing semicolon there. Now we will ask the user and first number. Enter a number and then now we will ask the user input the operator in num1. Okay, enter operator in num2. Now we will use a switch statement. Okay, there is an error. There is an operator here, and we will ask the user to input the second number. Enter another number. In num2. Now we will use a switch statement. Switch. Make a screen a little bit big. Switch statement, and in the switch statement we will pass OP and first case. First case will be a plus sign, and cout num1 plus num2 equals num1 plus num2. That's it. Now another case for subtraction colon cout num1 minus num2 equals num1 minus num2. I'm using the copilot feature, that's why it has printed it automatically. Now the third case, cout, sorry, I have to use a break statement over here. Break. Now third case for multiplication. The multiplication sign is the star one. Colon. So it has generated me the sign for multiplication also. Cout, first it will output num1, then will be a star sign, then num2, then equal sign, and num1 multiply num2. Okay, now for the last case for division. The division sign is this, colon cout num. So the divisor cannot be 0. So let's set a condition. If num2 equals 0, cout, print an error message, error num2. Let's make a little bit bigger. Number 2 cannot be 0. 0. Okay. And the else statement, sorry, else cout num1 divided by num2 equals num1 divided num2. And the default case, we can just write it like cout invalid operator. Try again. That's it. And then and our program is almost completed. Let's run it. Control Alt N. Let's enter the operator. So the operator, let's suppose enter plus, enter another number 2. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. So that was all in this video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.